Frieza has a new form.
Alright, gang, let's get started. Tonight we're gonna draw one of the newest forms that was given to Frieza. All credit for this goes to Rising Fist. As you have noticed, after a short time in the new universe that he created, with the assist of Shenron, he managed to obtain a new form. I don't know much about this transformation. I feel like his name is Dragon Frieza, despite his old texture. I saw it on the Legend of Vegeta the Destroyer and Broly. Here's the scar on his arm. Here's his body. Here are his legs. If you thought that Omega Cooliza was strong, I think that this form of Frieza may be as stronger than his original state. Well, if you thought Black Frieza was stronger, you should see this guy. I was all like, impossible. I never thought Frieza would achieve a new form so fast. I think it might have been a result of after the new universe was built. Anyways, here's his Frieza's tail. Frieza's tail, it kind of looks like Dark Shenron from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. It's like, well, I don't know how it's possible, but now we draw the rest of his spikes. And done. That is how you draw Dragon Frieza. Oh shoot, forgot to draw the other hand. And finished. There he is. Now that is how you draw him. All credit for this episode goes out to Rising Fist. I wonder if we'll get to see more of this form of Frieza in action.